Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn how to fill out the Germany visa application form online. First, open Google Chrome on your device and search for Germany visa application form online. Click on the first link to access the official Germany visa applicant website. Once you're on the site, scroll down and tap the contact form options to proceed. Now you'll need to provide some key details. Select the relevant topic for your visa application. Choose your title Mr., Mrs. or Miss. Specify the purpose of your visa inquiry under the subject section. Enter your valid email address for correspondence. Fill in your last name as it appears as your official documents. Before submitting, carefully review all the information to ensure accuracy. If you think once everything looks good, submit the form. You'll receive further instruction via email regarding the full visa application process and the required documents. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech guide like this. I'll see you in the next one as always.